G'day guys, how's it going? So here we are, another update on the differential for the G8. As you know, I'm using the 5th gen Camaro diff, and we're putting a new cover and whatnot on it, and thought I'd just show you some of that. And we're also doing some new bushings and whatnot, so let's have a look. Alright, so you can see the old galvanized bushing right here, and then Troy pressed this one in for me today while I was busy working, so I came out surprised, didn't know he was actually doing it. So that's that so far. So it's time to pull off the old cover and get the new one prepped to put on. So I'm going to do that real quick. And there she is. Looks bloody brand new in there. So that's basically the Camaro SS diff with 16,000 miles on it, I think. And it's the 3.27 gears. And then I was mistaken, in one of my videos I said that the stock diff for the Commodore or the G8, whichever the bloody way you want to say it, was a, I think I said the 2.85, but it's actually a 292, I believe. But anyway, that's it. So there she is inside. So I'm gonna get it prepped up now, clean the surface off, and then we'll get the new LPW on. Alright, so pulled the old gasket out. Got a new gasket, new seals, and then Troy managed to get the bushings pressed in. So we've got those, and then of course there's a new bushing on the new cover. So now we're going to seal up the gasket and get it on. So I just wanted to show you guys the difference inside the diff cover. So obviously this is a stock Camaro diff cover, and this is the LPW. You can see it definitely has more volume. So that's basically it. So I'm about to prep it and stick it on. So these little devices here basically push against the bearing caps. There's one on each side, and they basically stop the flex across the diff. Now basically we just need to adjust these little feet to push against the caps, and then torque them off. Old seals out, and about to put in the new seals. Almost there. You heard it pop, eh? It's pretty good, man. All right, resealed. It's ready for install. All right. So she's about to go in the air, and we'll start getting this diff out. So Troy started pulling the diff out. You can see the casing's basically broken off right there. There it is there. Had to drop down the exhaust. There she is. So yeah, just keep you posted. works. This is not how your bloody diff's supposed to look. There's a cover right there. Alright, so we hit a snag on the installation. You can see this rub mark right here and right here. This cover does not fit up inside the mounting point, which is just up in there. Well, that was a total bummer. Waste of time. So I had to rip the LP cover off, and we're going to reconvene in the morning. But that's how she sits right now. So we'll see you tomorrow. Alright, day 2 of the diff install. So apparently with the LPW cover, how it didn't fit, a lot of guys notch it. So basically I've got to take material off right here and right here. So that's basically what we're going to do now. Okay, so we notched it up. There we go. Another notch right there. So hopefully she'll go up in, and if it doesn't, we'll just make some adjustments as need be. But yep, time to bolt it back onto the diff. All right, cover's back on. All right, so we made it work. She's all in, full of fluid, old diff for reference. All right, guys, so after Troy, Marv and myself wrestled with getting this axle in on this side, turns out there was a little bit of a burr around it from the explosion. So Marv burred it off and we finally got it to press in. But pretty much that's it, guys. So that's the generation, what is it? 5th generation SS Camaro LSD 3.27 gear ratio with the LPW case, which I told you about earlier. And we made it work, obviously. But anyway, that's it. If you like the video, give me a like. If you like the channel, subscribe, because you know there's going to be way more. So I do appreciate you tuning in.